Okay, so hello guys. I just want to share my recent project. Okay, so this is an Armscore CO2 air pistol that I converted to PCP. First thing that I changed internally about this Armscore PCP is the bulb, of course. That's the first thing that you will change if you planning to operate this in uh, HPA or high pressure air. Original bulb seal or the bulb itself is, I think that is polyurethane material, so it is very soft. So it was designed to operate at much lower pressure. Like, okay, CO2 operates at about 800 to 1200 psi only. So if you use it in HPA, it will uh, it will have a chance to lock the bulb. Change the polyurethane bulb into a nylon bulb or engineering plastic bulb so that it can operate in much higher pressure without the risk of bulb blocking. And the next is I just put a quick fill adapter here at the front. So the volume of this tank is 35 cc only, but it can do around 12 shots. So after that, the next thing I did was to tune the air gun for HPA, okay, for it to operate on high pressure air. So what I do is I decrease or I lighten the hammer spring. Okay, so I lighten the hammer spring until I got what we call the bell curve. So for those who don't know about the bell curve, it's tuning jargon. So the FPS for this air pistol is 455 FPS. So that's about 8.5 foot-pounds of energy. And then also, I forgot to mention that I changed the barrel. So this is a 12-inch barrel. The original barrel was only 6 inches, I think. Yep, was only 6 inches. So this is the original steel barrel. The groove was rusted out. Okay. Okay, so let's have some chrony tests and accuracy testing. So the purpose of this air pistol was for rat hunting. So I call this rat eliminator pistol. Okay, so for short distance rat hunting. So in the future, I will change this sorry, tube tank into a much longer tank. And then I will upgrade it to aluminum with 3 millimeter wall thickness. So this is just a seamless metal tube with 1.5 millimeter wall thickness. So the fill pressure for this gun is 1740 psi, and then after 12 shots it will drop down to 1000 psi. So that's all. Let's have some chrony tests and accuracy tests. Oh, ay po. Okay, so this is 4 shots. This is just a shooter's error.